going to make donuts. What's this?
Flower.
Flour. Come on. Put it. Galing.
My egg man.
And next, the egg. Here. Come on. I'll help you. Yahoo! Wag magbali, wag magpunas sa ano. Tissue man.
Okay.
Wait. Yung chef, dapat walang sipon. Okay, go. Ready? Okay. Okay. Good job. Now,
Money.
we will put water.
Water.
Go. Water then.
Water.
Sige pa. Puno yan.
Puno.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, put konti muna. Stop. Mix it. Mix it. Ay! Kalimutan ko. Lalagyan natin ng oil. Mina lang ha. Sige na, mix it. Okay. Mix it, come on. Add more water. Yan, galing. Okay, stop. Okay, mix it. Mix again. Mix it again. Ayan, galing ah. Galing ang kuya ko. So good.
Madonut na yan.
Hindi pa. Sige pa. Mix it pa. Galing.
Adawa tayo donut.
Ako.